Hey, my name is Michael Alexander, and I'm the top sales trainer with Eric Law Firm International. And I'm chilling out today on a Sunday afternoon at this beautiful lake, listening to a little jazz in the background. And I just thought that I would take out a few minutes to share one of my favorite time management strategies with you. And it was inspired by several of my coaching clients. One in particular, he called me up and he says, I'm not going to say his name, but he says, Michael, I need to make $3,000 and I need to make it like yesterday. And I said, why do you need to make $3,000? And he said, because I'm behind in all my bills and my wife is giving me the blues. And so I asked him some questions and I said, James, how many hours a week are you putting into your business? And he said, 18. And I said, James, if you're behind on your bills and your wife is giving you the blues, you don't put in 18 hours a week, you put in 40, 50, 60 hours a week. Every single day, your time should be split up this way: lead generation, appointment setting, and lead conversion. That's where your 8 hours need to be spent. So searching the web or checking your Facebook, checking your emails, that's not a revenue producing activity. So if you want to see an increase in your results, then focus on revenue producing activity. Hey, that's my tip for today. I'll see you next week. Take care.